So how to search or find unknown number using TrueCaller application. In this video, I'm not gonna use this application because if you're gonna use this application and you're gonna search this number, it will show you the number from your contact list and you would like to search number you don't have in your contact list. I saw some videos, people were complaining about this. What you need to do is open the browser on your PC or on your mobile phone, it doesn't matter, and just search TrueCaller, okay? Go on their website, and before you search the number you need to sign in. I'm gonna show why, because if you search this number here you need to sign in, okay? I'm gonna use Microsoft for sign in, and now if you put this number here it will show you this number. So it's Marty, YouTube, it's me, okay? And this is like the profile. It will show you only number which is registered on their website on TrueCaller application. So if it's like another number, I'm gonna show you, like, for example, this number. I have this number for videos purposes. So I'm gonna search it, okay? And what can you see here? You can see this number is from Slovakia, okay? This is provider, Slovak Telecom. And address is only Slovakia because person who has this number didn't put any details on his number. No photos, no name, no address, nothing. So you can only search using TrueCaller only numbers. They are registered on this application, and that's it. This is how can you search numbers on TrueCaller website or application. Guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel, and see you one click later. Goodbye.